Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's reading, exclusive love reading plus career reading. I have just uploaded the monthly reading for June, so please go check it out if you haven't already. Now everyone who's new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please wait till the end. I will share more information with you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you have got the Eight of Moons, the Page and the Papes. Now this tells me that you're very fearful about a certain outcome. Like maybe you want to go for higher studies, maybe you want to leave your job, change your field, start a new business. There is something which is bothering you. You want to make that change but you're unsure. Of course, because if something is unknown, something that we haven't done, something is which is outside our comfort zone, we are very scared, right? Probably because you have been doing it for a very long time and that's why it's difficult for you to make that switch. But I do see that you have to be really honest with yourself. This week, ask yourself, are you just doing it for the sake of it because you have been doing it for a very long time, or are you really genuinely happy? Is this job or this pay or this position actually fulfilling to you, or this is what you actually want to do in life? If not, then please do make a change, right? I also see that a lot of you procrastinate a lot. Like your intuition is strong, you are a wise person, your wisdom is great, but there is a lack of action from your side. So please take that action. I do see that you overthink a lot. Your intuition might also be right about a lot of things, but you don't act on it, right? So if your intuition is telling you something, if there's a nudge that no, I'm not happy, I need to make a change, I need to make a move, no matter what it is, make that move, right? You're asked to take that action this week. This is a time of action, and the same goes for your personal relationships also, which I'll come to in a second. But yes, in your career, please do make that action. Go ahead, right? Instead of overthinking or fearing about the outcome, just go ahead. How will you know? How will you know until you try, right? So that's it. Just take that action. You are being called to take action in the second week. In your love relationships, again, you've got the Four of Moons, the Lady, and the One of Suns. I feel that overthinking is there, like you're self-loathing right now. You made a few wrong decisions, impulsive decisions, lost a beautiful person, right? You do overthink about that. If you think that you're over it, if you have moved on, I don't think you have. There is somebody who's really badly stuck in your mind. This person is not just loving, nurturing, caring, but also might have a very good personality. They have literally touched your heart. Right now you're not able to move on from it, and some way I do see you blaming yourself for it. It could be that it happened because of you, because you did not give the time, or you were unsure, or you did not commit, right? Or you were not ready. I do see that you're exhausted of this overthinking now. Like, why did I do this? I made a mistake, self-loathing, feeling exhausted with all this, getting even bitter. I do see you getting bitter and snappy at people because, you're unhappy from inside. But what do you think is going to change that decision of yours or this situation of yours? Is it going to happen because you're overthinking? No. So what do you need to do? You've got the One of Suns here. Go forward. Again, it's a card of taking action, guys. You overthink a lot. You know what to do, but you just overthink a lot. You just procrastinate. You think that somehow things should automatically happen. It will not happen until you take that first step. I do see that this is a card of going forward as if you can never fail. So if you think, I don't know if this relationship is going to work or not because I'm scared of rejection, I have my male ego or female ego, whatever you are, like ego is not going to help you in your relationships. You know that, right? Until you try, like I said, how will you know? Maybe that person is also waiting for you. Maybe they are also waiting for that text and call that you just text them and they'll be all yours. What if it's that situation? But how will you know? So please make that move. And especially if you're overthinking about it so much, and especially if you feel guilty of something that you have done, it's okay to leave aside your ego. It's okay to go for what you want. Instead of fearing the rejection, what worst come worst? Okay, you're rejected. Okay, they don't want you back. So what? At least you will get the clarity. At least you will stop overthinking about it. At least you will stop self-loathing and being bitter and being stuck and that exhausted energy, right? So yes, go forward as if you cannot fail. So I do see that maybe that person is also waiting for you, and if you take that first step, everything goes smooth. I do see you actually having a new beginning, a reconciliation, right? So go ahead. If you do like somebody, if you have a crush on somebody, if you want a reconciliation, if you want a relationship, go ahead, ask them out, right? You will get a lot of clarity. And I also see 99% of the time that you might start a new beginning, which will be really beautiful for you, right? So this is a week of action, guys, for you guys. So second week, just do it. Okay, follow the Nike's logo, just do it. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life and on your mind, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get to know your readings in advance and you can follow the steps, okay? So that it's smoother for you. You know what to do. And if you want to claim the positive reading, please do comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading, so that it reaches you faster. Other than that, if you still have any question in your mind which was not covered in this general reading, you want to book a personal reading, you can do that.